Hi everybody, welcome back to the home of Krybaby Performance, where we're working on our 160 UT 2.5 build. Yesterday we showed you how to take the entire engine apart. It's still all apart on the bench. And today we're going to show you how to prep or the things that need to be done to the block. So the first thing is we're going to remove the governor. That's the governor right there. This is the type of tool that we use to pick the little clip off. This is what the clip looks like. You can struggle with this for a few minutes, but it will come off. As soon as you get that clip off, you should be able to lift the assembly right out. Okay. Then don't forget that there's a little washer down here that has to come out as well. Sometimes the simplest things. Okay, there's a little washer. Now you can tip it up. Don't want that floating around in the engine. If you forget it, it will work its way off of there. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is this was the original governor hole. And we're gonna tap that for a bolt. I already put oil on my tap. Did you have to drill it to a certain size? Nope, I just left it that size. This is a 1/4 tap. .20 tap on the drill. And then put a little sealer on that bolt. And of course we're gonna have to clean the metal shavings, blow them out of the block when you're done. The next hole is between these two lifter bores. There's a hole down in there. And we wanna make that bigger so that the oil doesn't stay in the top end of the motor. What size bit is that? Quarter-inch drill bit to drill that. Kinda to make it a longer drill bit, you gotta kind of put it in the end of the drill. And then we wanna protect the face of our gasket surface. So I'll put a piece of tape on here. It's not going to take very much pressure. There's already a pilot hole there. There you have it. It's pretty thin walled. Right? No big deal. Okay. Okay. For the oil sensor, it has to stay in the engine, but I'm going to take the nut off. And then I'm going to Loctite that nut. We're just going to use red Loctite to lock that nut in place so that doesn't come loose. See, it wasn't very tight, and if that leaks, then you'll have oil leaking. So I'll use a generous portion. that's not coming off. Okay, our next thing is we're gonna, in a quarter midget engine, to get the engine to slide back in the car, this will slide back to that point, and if you go straight up, it has these ears. Well, these ears will hit the rear firewall of the car when you're adjusting the chain. So we're gonna cut those ears off. And I haven't done it with this tool today, but we just bought this Milwaukee Sawzall. Cut the ears off. I marked them first so that to know exactly where I'm gonna cut them. Okay, brand new tools. Let's give this a whirl. As you can see, I need more hands than I got. Almost through. There we go. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side, but we got to make sure that we don't. That hole is for our side cover, so we can't cut over here. We got to cut past that hole. Okay, now we have these sharp edges here, so we're going to go over to the big wheel. You could also do that with your angle grinder and do the same thing. I just like to take all the sharp edges off so that your hands don't get caught on it and it get beat up stuff in the car. So that's going to do it for this portion. Next time we're going to cut the cylinder head and we're going to true bore the block, and we'll show you how to do that. So stay tuned from the home of Krybaby Performance, step by step on the UT 2.5 160 project.